Hi, my name is Armon Dadgar. I'm one of the co-founders and CTO of HashiCorp. I'm joined with Yousuf from Cisco. Yousuf, do you mind giving an introduction?
Sure, Armon. My name is Yousuf Khan. I'm Vice President of Technical Marketing at IVNG Group at Cisco Systems.
Well, I'm super excited to have Yousuf here and to talk a little bit more about the HashiCorp and Cisco partnership. When we talk about the HashiCorp focus, it's really around this idea of how do we get to a common operating model, a single workflow, a single tool chain for managing our environments across on-premise private cloud through multiple different public cloud environments, and really what seems to be the emerging pattern across big enterprises. And so the reason I'm so excited about our Cisco partnership is they are everywhere, right? We have a common set of customers. You can't think about private data center without thinking about Cisco. And so it's exciting for us is to be able to work together and bring that sort of DevOps methodology, the sort of common cloud operating model, and to be able to have that span both on-premise environments using Cisco technology as well as public cloud environments in sort of a seamless way. So two of the big things that I'm very excited about is some of our Terraform efforts in terms of bringing infrastructure as code and integrating with the broader Cisco portfolio, as well as Console really looking at modern networking automation and how that can be integrated as well. So Yousuf, I'd love to hear from your perspective, what are the highlights to you? What are the areas of excitement as you talk about the partnership?
Sure. Thank you, Armon. So as you said, we have a common set of customers between Cisco and HashiCorp who are looking to deploy a hybrid infrastructure strategy. As we know that the cloud environment is primarily API driven, customers are looking to automate their provisioning needs for cloud as well as on-prem infrastructure. And this is where our joint solution comes in because it helps the customer codify their provisioning and deprovisioning needs. With this solution, customers are able to specify their infrastructure as code and able to manage the complete life cycle of their infrastructure. They can create new resources, they can manage the existing ones, they can destroy the ones that are no longer needed. And also it helps them to bring their cloud ops, net ops, SecOps, and the DevOps teams together at one place. I think this is a great value for our joint customer, which is I'm very excited about, right?
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. I think what's been awesome to see is the customers being able to kind of bring that, to your point, DevOps methodology and apply it and really see that benefit of, great, my application team, they can deploy a new app, they can scale up and down. That change gets automatically flowed through something like Console. The changes are declared as code with Terraform, and then we can automate how our network fabric gets updated to represent that application change without any tickets, right? Really achieving that sort of end-to-end DevOps, end-to-end kind of automation. And it's been super exciting, right? And I think that the effort has focused both on Console in terms of how do we bring that service networking and integrate that with the broader portfolio, as well as Terraform in terms of enabling an infrastructure as code practice across a broad set of the Cisco portfolio. So it's both a partnership that's going deep in certain areas, but also going wide across the corresponding portfolios. So it's been super exciting. Yousuf, how would customers learn more about what we're doing together?
So, very good question, Armon. A lot of customers have come to us and then told us that, look, okay, we like this, what we are hearing from you, what is coming out of HashiCorp about the partnership. We want to get on an infrastructure as a code journey, and how Cisco, you can help us get on that journey. And for that, we have developed a very specific, a risk-free, learn before you deploy offer through Cisco DevNet. Cisco DevNet basically offers a lot of training for the developers right away from the beginners to building composable infrastructure blocks on the cloud using Cisco-specific tooling or open source tooling. We have a great set of sandboxes, code examples, webinars, boot camps that the developers can leverage. Basically, the whole idea is to foster the developer community and help them adopt the infrastructure as a code practice. So please visit DevNet, Cisco DevNet, and you'll find a lot of resources over there.
Yeah, and certainly on the HashiCorp side, in addition to DevNet, we have a set of resources around specifically our Cisco Integrations, which talks about all of the different things we're doing together. And so in addition to DevNet, I'd recommend people check out the Cisco Integration site on the HashiCorp side. Yousuf, thanks so much for joining me and sharing more today. I'm very excited about the Cisco partnership. There's a lot we're doing today. There's a lot more we have planned together. And so I expect this partnership to continue to grow, and very excited for what we're doing together.
Oh, absolutely, really excited, and I think it's a great partnership and a great joint value that we are creating for our customers. So, I think it's a win-win situation for all of us.